Good morning, people. So today was a very simple trading day, and I'm going to go over how I actually took this trade so that you guys can make money in the markets, and how I could better execute so that I wouldn't get caught up in this because I think this goes a lot lower. So let's get into it and let's talk about what I did. Coming into the day, gold had actually broke bearish structure here. We were bearish on the daily, even though it's just by a little, we still broke bearish. We haven't broke back bullish, so I just kept that in mind. I also kept in mind that we're at a major cycle level right now because we have never been really above 2,500. So thinking to myself, if we were to go, it would make sense for us to sweep some liquidity at least before we go and maybe mitigate some lower points of price. And then I'm thinking, awesome, what is the hourly saying? The 4 hour already broke structure here and we didn't break back up. And then the hourly broke structure here, right? Broke up, broke back down, came back in, went back down. So when market opens, I noticed this move here, which when I saw this sweep and the candle close like this at 9 a.m. And I'm like, oh, interesting close of a candle. Let's see how all of this reacts. At which point I'm like, okay, I know that this is an area of liquidity and I know that this is an area of liquidity. And I also know that this was liquidity that just got taken on the hourly time frame, right? And we broke 15-minute structure right here. So I'm thinking, can we mitigate this order block and maybe a fair value gap on the lower time frames so that I can confidently say we're going to go down? So what do we get? Exactly that. Let's scale down to the 1 minute because the 5 is definitely going to show that we're bullish coming into here. But the 1 is pretty much what invalidated the whole 5-minute bullish nature, because we saw this massive break of structure and a revisit of the order block, and price didn't manage to really get back to the upside. So at that point, I was like, awesome, I'm good to enter. Off the order block, it was slightly aggressive, admittedly, but all was fine. And from there, we just targeted the first relative equal highs, and then we targeted this area of liquidity. And we had all of these also that never got hit, but very simple execution. And I'd say that now, today, I think we're up 1.5% right now, or like 1.2-ish, something along those lines. But yeah, that's that. And see how we mitigated the very furthest fair value gap that was within the order block that caused this move to go down. All of it is just a line. You just have to know exactly what's going on. So simply executed, simply made money, simply profited, and make sure to subscribe and like, because you find this educational. Because to be honest, this is really all you need when you trade. Time frame alignments as far as daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute, 5-minute, maybe not if you have 1 minute invalidations. Play the invalidation of the opposing time frame so that you can go ahead and get the move as far as when it flips. If you want to catch an hourly reversal, you're going to wait for a 15-minute change of character and then wait for a mitigation if you'd like to see that go through. That's pretty much it. And just saying that daily is bullish, 4 hours bullish, and then the 15-minute is bearish, is bullish while the 1 hour is bearish. That means that odds are that 1 hour is going to flip bullish because that 15-minute will continue going higher. So you want to position yourself in order to take profit as that 15-minute expands higher and breaks hourly structure. That's that, and I'll just see you guys in the next one.